कम ज़र्फ़ जी वेकू फितरत ते एहसास मलामत कई हूंदी कम ज़र्फ़ जी वेकू फितरत ते एहसास मलामत कई हूंदी चांदीअ जी चमक ते विकजी वियो ज़मीर अदालत कई हूंदी ज़ंजीर जो खड़को चुप थी वियो तोखे त अञा पर ॾकणी आहे पक जाना तो जहिड़े के माण्हू कानून जी अतात कई हूंदी ओ साथ धणी जी वाग वठी ऐं वाग वठी थो वाट वठी ओ साथ धणी जी वाग वठी ऐं वाग वठी थो वाट वठी हिते चओ वाटनि ते चंड खिड़ा जे कंहिं बि इरादत कई हूंदी। हाणे आउं तकरीर जे लाइ गुज़ारिश कंदुसि मिस्टर वज़ीर हुसैन सेठर खे त अचे ऐं पंहिंजी तकरीर पेश करे। मिस्टर वज़ीर हुसैन सेठर, महिरबानी करे स्टूडेंट्स खे ताड़ियुनि जो दाद घटि में घटि ॾियो। चेयर चेयर
In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful, on principal with my teachers and all their friends, sir, respected sir, when somebody celebrates the shows and concerts or program, and when a poor level passed here, he stops and tries to find whether they are saying something for our betterment or not. Now we are gathered here for the discuss of current affairs. I stand my speech to this poetry. He ज़रूरी ना है तो हर ज़िल्ज़िलो पैदा करे. He ज़रूरी ना है तो हर ज़िल्ज़िलो पैदा करे. कौमा में मुसलसल विल्लो पैदा करे. मुश्किलात हो इन दिनों की परब दो मुश्किल की हर कदम ते होश सागर हौसलो पैदा करे. Respected sir, today we are living in a digital age and everything has changed so much. Man's life moves on a click of the time. Respected sir, the world has reached a distance a microsecond from one end to another. Man has become so speedy. His flying the sky is more than 20 times the speed of bird. Respected sir, he's swimming in the seas like a fish. Distance has been shortened, duration has been changed. The old past stories are now forgotten and everything is taken for granted today, which was considered impossible in the past. As the poet says, he can joke around me khuto alam, he can joke around me khuto alam, can jada sanchi me attend kadam, yeshara makhluk, yesana takim, insan jan majjo kadam. Respect sir, on the established and advanced that what's the condition of poor level? Hey, then remember his body opponent. We have been listening since 94/7 that we have been finished the party and opponent, but it's total boast and the poor have been finished instead of party. Respected sir, needed to be deeply thought that what have to be done. I think that dramatic can change the life of laborers and farmers. Life will be possible when all the laborers, farmers and needy people to hold sustain and struggle. I will take my place with this poetry. बादल तो बुलंद ये तो उड़ामे दौड़े, बादल तो बुलंद ये तो उड़ामे दौड़, हर वक्त हम जगह में दौड़, तस्लीम तक इस्तेजा पर हराम पर कोई भी आन जो छड़ी था मरे विशाल